This is to show you how to use our MBIR NEC programmer on table or in car. Device comes with 3 programs: IR, NEC, and steering. Plug the device. Open IR. Click on read and insert the infrared key in the EIS. Device will read the EIS status and automatically save the dump inside a folder named read on the desktop. Now close. Remove the key. Remove the neck from the working key. Solder it on the neck board. Make sure it's well soldered and clean, or use the neck socket. Plug the neck. Open the neck program. Click on read. Device will show the key number, SSID, version, and status. Click on read EEPROM bytes. Device will take 5 to 25 seconds to read the password and save it in the folder read. This is key number 1, SSID, and password and hash. Device will automatically save the password in the read folder. Now we are ready to generate. Open the MB calculator. Click on load. Select the dump from the read folder. You will see that all keys status without hashes error. Calculate keys. It's done. Now if you want to program a new steering, remove the neck, plug the steering device, put the new steering, connect the K line and the ground, open the neck program, click on read. Device will show you the steering status. Load dump from the folder, and now the steering will unlock. It's done. Remove the neck. Remove the neck, solder it back on the key. And now start the car. It's done.